I was able to fill up my water in the lodge there.
Yeah.
Except for the way back, I could drink a ton.
Yeah, I started to walk up and I was like, you know what? It's like too steep on both sides. I felt like vertigo-ish. I'm like, yeah, no, I'm out.
Yeah, my hips were hurting, and I was just like, yeah, I made it up like a quarter of the way in. And I was like, yeah, you know, I'll just drop in here. So.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I mean, it's still good.
I know, it was really hard.
The slope, once you got in?
Yeah, I was gassed. I almost fell asleep on the chairlift out. I was like...
No, but like, once you dropped in, was
Yeah.
it the skiing really hard?
Yeah.
Okay.
Again, it was like that heavy-ass snow.
Yeah.
There's a plane.
Well, I'm glad you did it.
Yeah, me too. The thing that sucked was I had left my GoPro batteries in the lodge to charge, like plugged in.
And you forgot? Or you didn't forget?
I forgot them, and I got up there, and one of my batteries had like 50% left, and I was like, okay, good. So I went to do it, and it died before I even dropped in. So I was like, okay, I'm about to do the hardest run, and I'm not feeling well, and you know, like, I want to be able to get this on video, and my thing fucking dies.
Did you get any of it?
No.
Oh.
I literally turned it on for 2 seconds, right
died.
as I was about to drop in, and then it died. I just took pictures with my phone on the way down, so at least I'm like, oh, hey, I did that. I don't know why I need to have that proof that I did it, but I wanted it.
I like this over here. It's nice.
Yeah, it's not bad. Very interesting.
So where do you want to come down?
What? Are we going back to the bottom here?
Well, it's almost, the day's almost over.
Yeah, I know.
And we could go over here and come down that thing.
Go over this? Or what were you?
No, we're in Exhibition, and we could go this direction and come down like these things. Or what do you feel like doing?
I don't know. I don't remember if I need anything. Yeah.
We've done this a couple times, so let's go to the left and see what it's like.
Okay.
When you go home today, make sure you drink a lot of water. Okay?
Yeah, I will. I'm pretty sure that's the top of buttermilk.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's the only thing that would really make sense. Because Aspen's to the, or no, Snowmass is to the left of Aspen, right? So like Aspen and Highlands are in the middle.
You know, I don't really have.
Here, actually, I have a map.
This looks good. Would you come down there?
Yeah, sure, if we can figure out how to get to it.
Yeah, I think that would be going around to the left. This doesn't show all the mountains, does it? Yeah, but not like where they are to each other, does it?
No. Yeah, Snowmass right there, you see?
Yeah.
So Aspen's to the left, so that one has to be buttermilk.
I know.
Damn it.
Yeah. Not gonna.
Pull me out.
I don't think you're gonna be able to. It goes like one.
Yeah.
Yeah, accordion.
What was that? What was that? I'm not gonna be able to get it.
Well,
Don't slander me anymore, Mom.
yeah.
Oh,
What?
oh, coughing just kills
What does it kill?
my head.
Oh, yeah. Well, you need to drink more water.
And take Advil.
Yeah, you need to do that, but like you need to like just drink like a ton of water this afternoon.
Okay, I'll do that. What time are we having dinner?
Probably like 6 or something.
Okay,
Probably not
nice.
that soon.
There's a private jet. It's clearly like 40,000 feet up or something.
Really?
Yeah.
How do you know it's a private jet?
Because it's so small.
Where is it?
And it's right up there.
Oh,
It's hard to see it this time.
so good day skiing?
Yeah. It was a good day. I like
And
this.
you have all your batteries now,
Yeah,
right? Okay.
yeah. I like this place.
Yeah. What's that called?
What?
What's that called right there?
Which? This
That-
one? This lift?
No, that blue trail right there. I can't see the name.
T Lazy 7 Catwalk? Downloader.
Amazing how empty it is too. It's been great.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I don't know if we can figure out how to get over to that. Oh, ski down. Yeah, it's down.